Yes. Oh my goodness.
Daddy. Mommy. Lali. No. Bye.
Hey guys, what's going on? It is, wow, it's already 12:30. Noah woke up really late today. I actually had to wake him up at 9 o'clock, and considering he went to bed up really early yesterday, it was like a long sleep. I think it was almost 14 hours of sleep, which is quite amazing. But we are expected to have a snowstorm here. We're expected to have a snowstorm today until tomorrow. We're supposed to get around 30 centimeters. Jordan will convert that to inches right here. Whoa, I am bright. Jeez, I look like I'm pale. Anyways, there isn't really a plan of things to do today. I am doing laundry. The boys' laundry basket is like filled to the top. Our laundry isn't actually that bad. It just needs to be put away. I do have this basket for Jordan and myself to fold. Yes, that is my bra on top. Half a basket here of the boys. And then that's about it. Like, today's supposed to be a chill day for me. I didn't really have a good night last night. Oliver was pretty fussy. He ate, I think, between every 2 to 2.5 hours. I am actually watching Big Little Lies. One of my girlfriends, her and I watched the affair, not together, but at the same time when it first started, and then this past season. And I'm trying to get her to actually be on board with this one, but she's saying that she's not feeling it, so boo. Anyways, I've been able to fold one set of laundry, upload a video. I gotta do this set, put the laundry that was in the washer in the dryer, and I'm gonna wait for that. It's the boys' clothes anyways. And yeah, I don't know if I'm getting hungry. I made Rice Krispies the other day. Listen to this. It's like as hard as a rock, but they're still good. If you warm it up in the microwave, Jordan said it was actually still edible. It's not the most attractive shirt on, but I am warming up, or cooking dinner. Actually, I'm just warming it up. Did you guys know, fun fact, that if you don't have a microwave inside your home, you actually add 10 more years to your life? But then again, it's like, man, everything needs to be warmed up. Like, you can't have things like this, right? Where is it? Ah! So anyways, made myself a salad. Just so you know, I have this love-hate relationship for like these greens and these containers, because as you can see that? It's starting to like rot. And it's not even expired yet, or the best before date is not even like up yet. This one, however, is still good. This is a fresh microgreen mix, and this is just mixed baby greens, so I have it on there. I'm doing the dishes, so all of our dishes are actually in the dishwasher. And then I am having it with an avocado vinaigrette that I got from the farmer's market. It looks like this. It's actually really good. I've also warmed up our leftovers from what we had yesterday at the mall, and yeah. When Noah comes home, he's gonna have food from my parents' house. He really likes the sinigang, and I still have like one more left, and then after that I won't have any more sinigang left. I should really learn how to make it, right? But it's never the same. Like, my parents' sinigang always tastes a lot better. Mind you, I like to use beef, but they like to use pork, so yeah. I've done all the laundry. I've folded all of the laundry. The only thing is, you know, actually putting the stuff away. But yes. Oh my goodness. What in the crocus is this? What's in the crocus? This is what the roads look like. I'm not gonna be on this for very long. That's our plow. So I'll talk to you guys later. I got my boo-boos. Noah, what's on the ground? Can you say snow? Snow. How was daycare? Did you have? Oh wow, park. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What? Yes or no? No? Or yes?
Cow.
Oh, did you see a cow at daycare?
No.
No? What did you see at daycare?
No.
What does that mean, no? You didn't see anything? You made a big poop-oops.
George?
Yeah. Tia said you made a big poop-oops, sit-ups. And you and your friend made a big poop-oops, huh? Whoa.
Wee.
This is what happens when my family comes home. Hello. Oh, you thought I was done? No, absolutely not. So Jordan already had to shovel. He said he did some of our neighbors as well, because I think our neighbor only did the bottom part. So yeah, and it's still actually snowing. It's supposed to snow until tomorrow morning, I believe. We just heard that New York is supposed to be getting 50 centimeters, so that is crazy. Guys, look at this. Okay, my hair is typically not this greasy on second day hair, but I use a Dove dry shampoo. I think it was expired because I had it, I found it in my cabinet, like in my cupboards in the bathroom. I thought I'd use it because the one from Dry Bar is so stinky. So I sprayed it on, and all of a sudden it became just so dang oily. Anyways, and I read the expiry date, if there was one. I think there was one, and it wasn't expired yet, so I threw it out. It wasn't making my hair dry, it was making my hair oily. Anyways, Noah's gone up for bed with Jordan. I don't know if he's gonna come back down and say anything to you guys, but if not, that's gonna be it for the vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow.